Hello, my name is Collan Koeppen D.C. and all of us here at Active Rest want to show you the true paradigm of self-healing. The important fact and the philosophy that we have is that the body heals from the inside out. So let's say you have a 4-year-old child and they accidentally cut their finger and you put a band-aid on their finger. They may tell you, look, the band-aid healed my finger. But the fact is that the body healed itself from the inside out, and the Band-Aid just removed things from interfering with the body's own natural healing process. So one of the problems we have in modern life is that we're looking for things from the outside in to heal us. But what we need is to have our healing from the inside out be expressed. So here's the diagram. The brain is responsible for communicating the healing process and keeping you alive, and the brainstem area keeps you alive when you're asleep. So the brain to body communication, we want it near 100% for you, as high as we can possibly get it. If there's an interference between the brain and body and the nervous system, and an interference in communication we call subluxation. That lux means light, which means if that's out of place, it's blocking your light. It's blocking the power on in your body. And of course, we believe that the power that made the body can heal the body. So what we do with upper cervical, meaning top of the neck, is that we correct that area at the top of the neck so the brain body can communicate and your power is fully on. What I find though over and over is that people not only have one problem, they have an entire chain of compensations through the body. We call this body imbalance. There can be multiple areas of muscle spasms, knots. We'll call it fuzz. So to correct body imbalance, we want you to go on a corrective exercise regimen. You can look up the videos online. There's a whole YouTube channel with corrective exercises, and also consult your local professional. I want everything in your body to work correctly. I want you to be able to do everything that you would like to do in life. That's called 100% function. So we've got full communication between the brain and body. We've taken away the imbalance and created balance. And then, instead of having malfunction or dysfunction, I want you to have 100% function. For example, let's say you have TMJ / the modern definition is called TMD, temporomandibular joint dysfunction. Dysfunction meaning the jaw doesn't work right and you can't chew correctly. You have popping, pain, and other problems. What we do is restore the upper neck balance and the corrective motion of the jaw to help it work correctly. And of course, active release is a big part of that. Like I mentioned earlier, the fuzz or scar tissue or adhesions or knots in the body, there's many words to express how the body can have knots and painful areas in it. But long story short is that active release techniques break up that fuzzy scar tissue. So we want you to have ease, and at the end we want you to have no symptoms. So basic self-healing diagram: turn the power on, balance the body, make sure you're doing corrective exercise. Active release takes care of the knots and balances the body, and eventually you take responsibility for that. Thank you.